Everyone, so today I have the Off-White Jordan 5 sale. This shoe comes out for a price of $225 this Thursday I mean. My man got early access from Nike, so I'm here to share to you how the shoe looks like and everything you guys need to know about resale and everything. So here is the shoe itself. Pretty nice if you ask me. It is size 11. And the other one. So you do actually get different color laces. You could have black lace or a red lace, or you could keep the standard white shoelace. So there's 3 different shoelaces, which I do like. So the shoe itself, as I said, goes for $225 retail. As of now, it is being resold on StockX for about $850. But just like all other Off-White Jordan shoes, this should resell for a bit over $1,000. So if you pick it up and you're willing to resell it, just wait a bit before you actually do so. So maybe you could get yourself a lot of money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.